Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing the PopSugar and Folgers unboxing. Neither company sent me this to promote in a video. I actually won it in a sweepstakes, so this is actually a prize package, and neither Folgers nor PopSugar sent this to me to make a video of. It's just simply a win that I wanted to share. Having said that, we'll get into the box. The outside of the box is super Christmassy and fun. I like that. And then inside there's all kinds of cool treats. Starting off with this first section, there are two prizes that are kind of glue dotted together. The top white box has some sheet masks in it, which if you've watched some of my other videos, you know I'm a sheet mask freak. I love them. So I was so happy to see those. And there's also a red journal that has room for to-do lists in the front and then some nice blank pages just for writing. Next up is a smaller red box, and inside of that box is a set of nice pens. As you can see here. I guess those will come in handy for writing in that journal. Next up is the cutest speckled mug. And you'll have to excuse me while I struggle to get it out of the container there. Clearly I'm very graceful. Let's go to the K-cups first. We have some nice black silk K-cups. I like a dark roast, so these are excellent. It's one of my favorite, like, black coffees, unflavored. And then to go along with those, we've got a nice set of coasters. They're branded and they've got different designs on each one. So we've got like the Folgers and there's some coffee ones. They're really cute, and I need coasters for my desk because I have a black desk which has a really tricky finish on it. And I have a lot of scuffs and stuff that I've covered over with black marker, so those will come in handy. They've also sent me an enormous canister of Boost ground coffee, which is great. I'll use that in the kitchen. And there, now I finally got that cup out, and it's so cute. It's like a speckled pattern. It's got a little handle on it, and it's perfect height to fit under my K-cup brewer, so it's perfect. I love it. And the last thing in the box is a candle. It's called a Sunday morning candle, and it smells like pears and some other fragrances. It's got a beautiful fragrance. I just loved it the minute I opened it, and the packaging was really cute too. So that's everything that was in the box. And I'll just move this big box out of the way and spread it out on the counter so you can just take another look at everything. I'll pop that candle out of the packaging so you can see. Spread out the coasters a little so you can see all of the patterns. I'll pop those pens out. K-cups, perfect for my office. I keep a K-cup maker in my office. And then we've got one and then a regular coffee pot in the kitchen as well. There goes the journal. And I'll pull those face masks out just so you can see what the packages look like. And then that cute little mug and that huge canister of coffee. I'll set that over there. Well, thank you so much for watching my unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications if you like to watch this kind of video, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a great night.